Here's one use for lemons that you probably didn't know. Did you know that if you rub a lemon on your skin, it can help with acne scars? The vitamin C in the lemon juice helps to brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of blemishes. But there is a way to make this even more effective. You see, lemons are highly acidic, and when you mix acid with sugar, it creates a chemical reaction that produces heat. So if you take a lemon and you rub it on your skin, then put some sugar on top, it will actually feel hot. And this can help with acne scars, hyperpigmentation, and melasma. The heat from the sugar activates the vitamin C in the lemon, which then produces collagen and brightens the skin. This is a cheap and easy way to get rid of acne scars. But it's important to note that this will only work if you have mild to moderate acne scarring. If you have severe scarring, you need to see a dermatologist.